Top 5 Best Personal Finance Books of 2023. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things personal finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 personal finance books that you absolutely need to read. These books cover a range of topics, from getting out of debt to building wealth to investing for the long term. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Book 1, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is a classic for a reason. It outlines a step-by-step plan for getting out of debt and building wealth. Ramsey's approach is straightforward and no-nonsense, emphasizing the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing for the long term. One of the key benefits of this book is that it provides practical advice that you can implement immediately to improve your financial situation. Book 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book challenges traditional ideas about money and offers a new perspective on building wealth. Kiyosaki encourages readers to think like entrepreneurs and invest in assets that generate passive income. One of the key benefits of this book is that it encourages readers to think outside the box when it comes to building wealth. Book 3, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book dispels common myths about millionaires and offers insights into how they really live and manage their money. It emphasizes the importance of frugality, hard work, and smart investing. One of the key benefits of this book is that it provides a realistic portrayal of what it takes to become a millionaire. Book 4, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book offers a holistic approach to personal finance, emphasizing the connection between money and happiness. It encourages readers to evaluate their spending habits and align their financial goals with their values and passions. One of the key benefits of this book is that it helps readers understand the emotional and psychological aspects of money management. Book 5, The Simple Path to Wealth by J. L. Collins. This book offers a straightforward approach to investing, emphasizing low-cost index funds and a long-term perspective. It also covers topics like saving, budgeting, and retirement planning. One of the key benefits of this book is that it demystifies investing and makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of their background or experience. And there you have it, our top 5 personal finance books that you need to read. Each of these books offers unique insights and practical advice that can help you improve your financial situation. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor, there's something in these books for everyone. So, go ahead and check them out. You won't be disappointed. Make sure to check for links in the description below to learn more on these books. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.